Hello, I'm Steve Barnett, Superintendent of the Paulding County School District. Georgia law prohibits local boards of education from participating in the new property tax relief local option sales tax, or LOST, referenced in HB 581. However, this new LOST could still have a negative impact on the school district's eSPLOST collections. First, it's important to note that the school district already faces challenges in eSPLOST collections compared to neighboring districts. In fact, we only collect 55 cents for every dollar collected by our comparable neighboring school districts. After factoring in debt service, we can only utilize around 41 cents for every dollar collected by these districts. If voters approve the new property tax relief LOST, it could further reduce eSPLOST collections, as residents may be incentivized to shop in neighboring counties with a lower overall sales tax rate, especially given Paulding County's largest population center is already located on the border of Kemp County, making it convenient for residents to shop outside the county. Additionally, if residents feel overburdened by multiple local option sales tax initiatives, it could impact the passage of future eSPLOST referendums. This matters because, unlike many other districts, the school district uses eSPLOST funds to pay our legacy debt service rather than rely on a bond millage rate. A decline in eSPLOST collections could jeopardize the district's ability to continue this practice and fund future capital projects, which are essential for maintaining and expanding school facilities in one of the fastest growing school districts in the state of Georgia.